what game are we playing today? Apparently Amy isn't here at the moment. I don't know where she went. Okay, let's do normal mode. Just so it's easy. Alright.
Sonic, how I hate you. And all of that loathing has been focused into this invincible instrument of destruction. Every defeat, every humiliation of the Hedgehog's hands will be returned 1,000-fold by my unstoppable creation. This is my dream come true.
What's that?
With this invention, I can expand the Eggman Empire across the globe and conquer the world! It's business this time.
Oh, we're starting immediately? Okay.
Sonic, Eggman's forces are surging into the city. We need you here now.
Hold on, Tails. I'm on my way.
Yep, that's what every hero says. Like, they're on their way. Oh!
Better kick things up a notch.
What? Okay. So it's just like any other Sonic game. Okay, press B to jump. Okay. And I think I know how to deal with Batniks. Whoa, okay. Oh.
Man, look at the size of that thing.
What
It's all
is
kinds of things
that?
Show up when your neighborhood turns into a desert. Cleanup's gonna be a chore.
Well, at least I don't lose all my rings this time. If I remember any Sonic game, you usually lose all the rings. And then you have to try extra hard to get them back. How do I boost?
There's sand everywhere. Green Hill's looking a lot more like Sand Hill right now.
What? Sandhill? I am so confused.
Man, one of my favorite spots is all ruined.
Aww. Don't you remember Hedgehog's past? Oh wait, he did talk about Hedgehog's past a little bit.
This is it for Green Hill, so the city must be close. Let's get ready for some action.
Okay. Not bad for my first try. A? Okay. Sonic to the rescue.
Is everyone okay?
We are thanks to you. You're kind of close though, pal.
Yeah.
Who are those
That's how I
people?
roll. Okay, let's finish this, Eggman.
It will be your finish, Sonic. Behold the power of my ultimate masterpiece!
Huh? Shadow, it's you? Zavok,
What the?
Metal, Chaos.
How did they get here?
Huh?
Whoa, this guy is faster than Sonic.
He's faster than Sonic. He's faster than Sonic. What?
Something else. Gotta scan him and figure this out.
What are you? How are you doing? Go!
Nice.
Tails, I need to know what's going on with this guy.
I'm trying, Sonic, but these readings are all messed up. They don't make any sense.
Go! 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 Go!
thing. With Sonic defeated, Eggman's army quickly took over. With months... oh, okay. Despite the overwhelming odds, what? And now a new face appears to join the struggle. If you guys want to read through it without me talking, you're welcome to pause the video.
Despair is a luxury we don't have.
I still dream that Sonic is with us.
Oh,
He might be.
is that where Amy
I'm
went?
also a realist. Sonic is gone, Amy, and Tails has just lost it. If we're going to win, we have to do it without them.
Silver's right. We've been hoping for a miracle these past 6 months, but I'm afraid we have to make our own miracle.
Eggman's army has everyone terrified. If we want the people to rally, we have to show them that strength doesn't just come from numbers.
Not everyone is terrified. Isn't a new recruit joining us today?
Yes, a survivor from the city, right?
I'm accessing the file now.
No way. No way. No. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I am a girl. I'm going for cat. How do I turn her? I like that one. Oh, this must be for... I like that one. This one's more my style. My eyes are blue, so... Which shade of blue? Body color. Oh, oh, oh. This is the closest to hot pink as it'll ever get. Oh wait, what's my voice? Okay, Y for voice. Nah. It's the closest. Are you sure this is the right? You know what? It's fine. It's fine. What should be my victory pose? What? Since when do I breakdance like that? What about this one? Too simple. Yes! I love that one! Looks great! I guess I'll have to earn my glasses.
Knuckles, what's the sit-rep, Commander?
Happy to see you're all still alive.
Hey,
Eggman's
Knuckles.
forces have chewed through our defenses at Green Hill. And the resistance in the city is reporting that whatever it is that finished Sonic. Sorry, I'm still not used to saying that.
Oh.
Whatever it is has got them running in fear. All except for this brave kid who survived the
It's
battle
me.
and made it here in one piece. Meet our newest recruit.
Hi, everyone.
Doesn't look like much.
Neither do you, Charmy, but I still managed to find a use for your pointy butt. Here, kid, take this. We're depending on you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's get going, everybody. The world's not gonna save itself.
Okay, well. Whoa! Okay, okay. So this must be stage 2, right?
I've just received some incredible news. Sonic is alive!
Oh, thank goodness!
No way. That's excellent.
What? Oh, thank goodness! I knew it! I knew it!
He's captured in the orbiting prison. My spy there says he's in a solitary confinement cell, and they've been torturing him for months.
Uh-oh.
That's horrible! We have to rescue him!
Plan's already happening, Amy. I've got a squad on the way to the spaceport and the chemical plant to borrow a shuttle. Come on, guys. Who's up for an old-school style jailbreak?
Well, I sure am. Let's go! Okay.
SBO, my team's engaging the enemy in the orbital tunnel. I think we can hold them off for now. No, wait. Watch out. The masked one's here. The monster that took down Sonic.
Stay focused, Rookie. We're off to find a shuttle.
Okay. Vector. Alright. My voice is so high! Then again, I did choose my own voice. How do... ZR? What do I do? Oh! So that's how you do the flamethrower thing. Whoa! Whoa! I never thought I'd be in an actual game. Is this canon? Am I gonna be canon? Okay, so... Whoa! Whoa! I did not know I could do that.
Let's head in while SBO keeps the list.
Need a shuttle to get to Sonic in time.
Okay.
All quiet at the launch pad for now. Grab a shuttle before they sound the alert.
Okay. Oh, ha 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 ha! How silly of me. Oh wait, I should just use my flamethrower and then Knuckles gave me. sir. Well, at least I don't lose all my rings. Oh gosh. It's okay.
Perfect. They won't mind if we borrow this for a while. Hurry it up, rookie. Get out of there as soon as everyone's aboard. Step on it.
Yes, sir. Was this where I was supposed to? Oh. Oh. I guess. Okay, what do I get? Nothing just yet. Just medals. Okay. Ghost Town. Alright. There's Tails.
That should have done it. I couldn't figure it out for you, buddy. I'm sorry I wasn't smart enough. Whoa! Chaos! Sonic, help me!
Poor Tails. Oh my gosh! No way!
Sonic? You're alive! Wait, what? Oh, you're that Sonic from another dimension, aren't you? Right, that makes sense, I think. Do you know how you got here? Maybe the power that Eggman is using is somehow affecting other dimensions. It might work to our advantage. I mean, everything happens for a reason, right? We need to save the world, and maybe that's why you're here, to help save the world. Either way, it's still good to see you, Sonic. Heck, it's good to see any Sonic.
Okay. Looks like we're jumping right in.
Radar shows Eggman up ahead. Enemies could be lying in wait, so watch your step. I get the feeling Eggman has some tricks up his sleeve.
Okay. Alright. Is that what I was supposed to do there? Oh! That makes sense.
They've made a total mess of this place. We have to stop Eggman and end this war quick.
Whoa. Whoa.
Be careful, Sonic. I'm detecting a ton of rings besides Eggman, too. One is stronger than the others. What could it be?
Oh, wait a second. What am I doing? Oh, wait a second. Oh! I get it! I think I get it now. right. Classic Sonic can spin dash. It feels like I'm playing a classic game in a modern game. Yes! Oh! Oh! A beanie? Interesting. Well, I'm pretty sure my... Well, I don't need a beanie, but okay. A couple of months ago in the city...
There is no reason to resist.
Oh my gosh. Is that me?
I can taste your terror, child. All that anxiety and doubt. It's the
Oh, I look so scared.
Give in to your fear. Flee screaming, and I'll let you live.
So this guy can sense fear. Okay.
Knuckles, can you hear me?
Oh.
Rouge, it's about time. How's Sonic doing?
He's been better. They're getting ready to banish him into space.
What? You can't be serious.
Eggman's been keeping Sonic alive all this time. He's been waiting to show him his completed empire before banishing him.
Torturing Sonic just to pass the time. Oh, that's low, even for Eggman.
Eggman got wind of our rescue plan and is moving forward with his plan ahead of schedule. The clock is ticking, boss. But we don't even know where he's being held captive. Yes, we do. Eggman rebuilt the Death Egg. That's where he's keeping Sonic.
The Death Egg? Oh man, that's not good.
None of this is good, Vector. That's why it's called war. You all know what to do. Let's go get Sonic.
Yes, sir. Okay, I think prison hall. All right.
Listen up, rookie. Our other forces are busy dealing with enemies. It looks like you took the best route. It's up to you to save Sonic now. Find him.
All right. Whoops.
Listen up, rookie. Our other forces are busy dealing with enemies. It looks like you took the best route. It's up to you to save Sonic now. Find him.
Okay, you got it. Okay. Now, if I were a blue blur running faster than the speed of sound, where would I be?
The prisoners are being held in a kind of internment facility. Sonic is probably there too. Security is tight, so stay on your toes.
Okay. I'm always on my toes.
Nothing in this room either.
We're still trying to fight our way out. They've got us pinned down.
gotta figure out how this flamethrower works. Oh!
Looks like this place was used up until recently.
It appears that many of our brethren were held here.
One more thing Eggman will answer for.
Never thought I'd be the one saving Sonic. Usually Sonic saves everybody.
You're on high alert now.
I sense Sonic's presence. He's close.
Okay, wait. Let's... okay. Let's... maybe this must be the... Okay. Oh, I think I get it. These controls don't make any sense. Okay, I did it. I think. Yep, I did it. Okay, B. Not bad. Glasses! Yes! Glasses! And even those shoes too! Yes! Alright, let's do it.
This is the end, Sonic.
Oh, hey, sounds like the party started. Want to let me go and join in? No? Of course not. You hate fun. Whoa. Wow. The end, huh? Let's see you try something now that I'm free.
Foolish hedgehog. Getting out of your chains does not make you free. Now, come and face the inevitable.
Ha! The only thing inevitable here is my foot kicking your butt.
Wow. Okay then. Alright, Zavok. Let's do this.
I can't wait to see how long you last against this.
Come out and fight me yourself and I'll mop you up real quick.
Impudent runt. I'm going to savor watching you suffer.
Whoa! Alright, what am I supposed to do here?
I can't wait to see how long you last against this.
Come out and fight me yourself and I'll mop you up real quick.
Impudent runt. I'm going to savor watching you suffer.
How am I supposed to... Uh-oh. Oh! Maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. So there's this pattern going on. Gotcha. Okay. Come here, you. Alright, so avoid his attacks. And then watch out for these guys. And then wait for it. Get him!
You're not making this easy, are you? Crushing all the more satisfying.
I wouldn't say easy, but it's a learning process. Oh, no. Come here. Yeah! Alright. It's okay. I have 20 rings. I can survive this. Come here, you. No! Good thing it gives me some rings. Well.
To the likes of you again.
That was a blast.
Again? Oh, yeah, Sonic Lost World. I always forget you're from Sonic Lost World. Never finished, though. Xena is very, very hard to get through. And I always get a game over every time. Ooh. Oh! Those look really cool.
It's that sound again. Whoa, it's not time for thinking, it's time for running.
We gotta get out of here. I think we're gonna end it here, but before I do, I'm gonna try new stuff. Oh. Okay, I don't really need anything. I feel like this one works well. Now let's, where's the glasses? Okay, yeah, I don't really have it. Yes! Yes! Okay, so that's to turn. Oh! Alright. Okay. I think we're good to end it here for the day, so I'll see you guys next time.